So me and the girls are cooking. The camera's right there. Hello, Tito's here. Me and the girls are cooking. Girls, what are we cooking?
We are cooking curry with some vegetables.
And what do we have? What have we chopped here?
Right here we have some mushrooms, carrots,
peppers that we haven't chopped yet,
and lots of beans and broccoli and courgettes. Yeah.
Cool.
And over here we have chicken.
What do we do with this? What is this?
It's chicken.
Chicken. Cool.
We're gonna add it to the curry. And we're also gonna add these prawns to the curry.
Cool.
And we also have some Brussels sprouts and onions that we're just gonna throw in. So yeah, that's it.
Sprouts and onions. Cool. So, what do you think of going through the process of cooking?
The chicken was a bit creepy at first, but now
Because it's raw. You have to cut it when it's raw.
Yeah.
Is this your first time cutting raw chicken?
I guess so.
Really? Well, that girl, she's 12.
Well, maybe, but I don't remember.
Yeah.
Probably yes.
Probably yes. We need to we need to get these women cooking.
I'm 9 years old.
Well, you're a young woman. When you learn to cook. I started cooking at the age of 6. And you're a woman. You're a girl. You cook like 1.
At 1?
1 year old, you learn to cook. Yeah, chicken. You like it?
Come and eat all. She's going to eat everything.
Is it nice? Is it nice?
You've already had so much.
Akira, do you like it?
Daddy, Yummy
You like it?
Yummy has had so much chicken when she's still.
No, I haven't had that much.
Akira, do you like it? Do you like the chicken?
Yummy,
Akira,
stop.
say something.
Look, say hi to the
Is it nice? You like the chicken? Akira, do you like the chicken? Yes or no? Yes, okay.
I said, hey!
You see, she hasn't eaten some, so leave her alone. I'm watching. Stop.
I don't remember where it came from.